So today I'm going to be reviewing this LED headlight kit, the H7 bulbs, made by Novsight, Novsight or Novsight, 2-year warranty, 6500K, 360 degree beam angle, and yeah, these are the H7s. So what you get inside is some gloves to obviously protect the bulb. Even though it's not a halogen, you still don't want to get grease all over it, like oils from your hand. You have the manual, which is pretty basic, and then the lights themselves. As you can see, they have like a fan sticking out the back, which is pretty common on all LED lights these days, and your typical H7 fitting. These are going to go into a Hyundai Coupe with projector lights, so there won't be any light scatter with them. So I'll come back to you when I've made a start on installation. So as you can see, I've currently got HIDs in the dip beam compartment, and I'm going to tear these out, as well as the relay, which is connected to them. On this car it's just this bolt, and then one down here. Then you unplug all the connectors and the light will pull straight out. So I'll get back to you once I've done that. So the easiest way to install the light is to first plug it in and then shove all your wiring and the small transformer in the housing, and then take this bracket off. Place this in the housing first. Make sure it's seated flush, like that. Then grab your bulb and push it in. And when you rotate it, there's a little notch. There you go. And then twist, and that bulb is now in. And all that's left to do is to mess about with these wires so that it's all going to fit back together again. Now this is like the somewhat time consuming part, because there ain't a lot of room. It's going to depend on your car as well though. So that is now in. Double check everything to make sure it's seated properly, and I am happy with that. There you go. Then grab your dust cap, find the notch. No, that's not it. Could be that that transformer's in the way actually. Yeah, there we go. Now, job done. And that is now ready to fit to the car. And as you can see, it works. Now on your left side, that's the LED, that's the HID. Because it's daylight, you're not really going to see a good comparison, but it's very, very bright. As far as the sound, have a listen. And there's the colour. Very impressed with the light output. And there's the HID for comparison. I'll do a night test at a later stage. But yeah, pretty straightforward, just plug and play. So I've just come out here. Bear in mind this camera is making it look a lot lighter outside than it actually is, for some reason. But yeah, it's 10 PM here in England, so I've just come out now to show you the lights at night. Now I've ran HIDs for quite a long time. and I can tell straight away that these are far superior to HID lights. Also against the garage door, I could see that the light cutoff is absolutely fine. It's no different to halogen bulbs, because I have projector headlights. If you use reflectors, then you're probably going to be dazzling oncoming drivers. So anyway, I'll turn them on, and there you go. One thing I love about them, apart from how bright they are, is there's no sort of like ramp up time with HIDs. When you first turn them on, they're dim and then they brighten up over like 3 or 4 seconds. With these, it's instant. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but I can hear the fans going when I turn them on. Let me just do it again. I don't know if you can hear that. It's a very slight hum. Anyway, I'll get out the car real quick, just so you can see them. Yeah, it's a beautiful night. There's the side light bulb, and then your main dip beam. And yeah, I can hear them, but they're very bright. They do make like a slight humming sound, but it's nothing, it's just the fans. But yeah, if you're considering them, like if you're not sure if they're going to be better than HIDs, I can tell you they absolutely are. Yeah, well pleased with them. I'll update in the comments, like basically I'll let you know if one of them fails, like generally how long they last. They do have a 2-year warranty on them though, so I can't really complain, but yeah, that's what you can expect. Once again, actually, there's off and there's on, and that's the main beam, the high beam, going on and off. You can see how it barely makes any difference because they're already so bright. So yeah, hope this helps. Well happy.